I recall the time when I first came as a student at Islamic boarding school Darussalam Gontor. At the time, I was new student at Campus 4 Banyuwangi. When I arrived, I really didn't know anyone. I had to adapt and start making friends with other new students to feel comfortable in that new environment. That environment was very diverse, where friends from many parts of Indonesia get together with their unique cultures and background. All of them was very much. It's about 300 new students. The way they spoke Indonesia with their regional accent caught my attention. This moment remind me of our country's diversity and how the Indonesian language unites all of us. Assalamualaikum, sawadikap, and very good afternoon for everyone. My name is Satria Ali. I am 4th semester of International Relations Department. Tonight, I'm going to talk something related with our communications. When I got this topic, I realized one of the instruments of national unification. It is Bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia has more than 700 regional languages. Yet we all speak one national language, Bahasa Indonesia. This thing is great achievement. It starts from 1928 Youth Pledge, where young people from different ethnic groups and cultures said, "Kami berbahasa satu, Bahasa Indonesia." The spirit was inspiring us until today. Bahasa Indonesia is not as simple as we might think. If we compare it to European Union, they have 24 official language and about 60 regional language. Unlike Indonesia, the European Union doesn't have one unifying language. What happened in their summit, or maybe what happened in their conference? Of course, every single delegate of them needs some translator. This creates challenges in their communications, making policy, and even in education. But in Indonesia, official meeting do not need translator because everyone use one unifying language. This makes things quicker and cheaper while helping us to feel more united. Our model shows that we can respect diversity and still use one language to connect everyone. My beloved audience, we should be proud of Bahasa Indonesia. We can see many advantages of Bahasa Indonesia. For the example, in 2020, Large Dictionary of Indonesian Language or KBBI, Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia, has added some word like wibu, baper, and etc. as a formal language. For another example, the word in English such as liberalism and realism, we can easily change them into liberalism